Run the code online or download from codegib.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Checking Image Size in Python. Introduction. In image processing tasks, it's often necessary to check the size of an image before performing certain operations. Python provides several libraries that can be used to accomplish this task easily. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to check the size of an image using Python, along with code examples. Requirements. Before we get started, make sure you have the following installed. Code. Explanation. Usage. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to check the size of an image in Python using the Pillow library. This simple yet essential task can be helpful in various image processing applications. Experiment with different image files and integrate this functionality into your projects as needed. ChatGPT.